we learn about human health and diseases in 12th standard, Unit 3, Chapter 7. The World Health Organization defines the health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being and not merely absence of diseases. We can also say health is wealth. When people are healthy, they are more efficient at work. Health increases longevity of people and reduces the infant and adult mortality. Personal hygiene, regular exercise, and balanced diet are very important to maintain good health. So, in the WHO, the World Health Organization says, so what is that? Health. What is that? Health. A state of complete physical, mental, and socially. You have to absence of the disease. You are not having this disease, you are health. You are not having the disease, you are health. So that says that that is WHO, World Health Organization. Do you know the proverb? Health is wealth. So why say that health is wealth? So you are having this healthy. So your body is a healthy one. So you are doing this work well. You are not healthy, you are not work. So more efficient at work. So that is healthy increases longevity of this people. Next, common diseases in human beings. Diseases can be defined as a disorder or malfunction of mind or body. It involves a morphological, physiological and psychological disturbance which may be due to environmental factors or pathogens or genetic anomalies or lifestyle changes. Diseases can be broadly grouped into infections and non-infection diseases. Infections and non-infection diseases. So first one, diseases which can be transmitted from one person to another person are called infection diseases or communicable diseases. So each such diseases causing organisms are called pathogens. So transmitted through air, water, food, physical contact and vectors. The disease causing pathogen may be virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoan parasites, helminthic parasites, etc. So infection diseases are common and everyone suffers from such diseases at some time or the other. Most of the bacterial diseases are curable, but all viral diseases are not. Some infection diseases like AIDS may be fatal. Non-infection diseases are not transmitted. Non-infection diseases are not transmitted from infected person to healthy person. So in the origin they may be genetic. The origin may be genetic, nutritional and degenerative. Among the non-infection diseases, cancer is one of the major cause of death. One of the major cause of death. So do you know that disease? Which disease? So what is a disease? So if a normal human being is affected by these pathogens like this, bacteria, fungi, other pathogens. So that body is affected by pathogens. That is called disease. How to disease is transferred to one person to another person. So it is broadly divided into disease. First one, infection disease and non-infection disease. So that is infection disease, it is called communicable disease. So commonly seen in this are human beings. So communicable means you communicate with others. You communicate with others. So disease which are transmitted from one person to another person, that is called communicable disease. Because of this communicate with each other. Communicate with others. So it is a communicate with others. But how to infect this disease? So through the pathogens. The pathogens are filled with in the air, water, food, physical contacts or vectors. So that disease is caused by this like this pathogens, virus, bacteria, fungi, other pathogens, that is called the pathogens through the disease, that is called communicable diseases. So every person is affected by this communicable diseases. It's cured easily. After some time it is cured. So most of the bacterial diseases are curable. That is already I told that it is easily curable one. So all viral diseases are not. But எல்லா வைரஸும் அப்படி கிடையாது. So because this the coronavirus. So next one it is a Non-infection diseases. Non-infection diseases, so transmitted from this one person. It is not communicable diseases. Because of this, it is not spread by this communicates with one another. It is not spread through this persons. So infected persons. Because of this, it is through this genetic variations. There is a lack of nutrition. So another is a degenerative. Degenerative means it is a voltage have in arthritis, quarter dog, stroke. Here is that. This because of this lack of nutrition in our body. Lack of nutrition vitamins in our body. So it is formed. So the infection disease. So very important one it is cancer. But important one is cancer is one of the major cause of death. So I understand. Next we discuss about this bacterial and viral diseases. So first one, bacterial diseases. Through the number of bacterial species in very high, only a few bacteria are associated with human diseases are called pathogenic bacteria. So such pathogens may emit toxins and affect the body. Common pathogenic bacteria are bacterial diseases. So you have to see in this table. Bacterial spread through air, water or by inhaling dust, droplets, aerosols or even sharing utensils, dresses within the infected person. So typhoid fever can be confirmed by this vital test. So vital test. So that is bacterial diseases. So which bacteria is causes that disease? That is called pathogenic bacteria. That is called pathogenic bacteria. So this pathogens or this bacteria release the toxins, release that toxic substance in our body. So that is, you have to see in this table afterwards. So vital test. So vital test means that is similar to this blood test. Similar to this blood test. So typhoid fever you can, so you go first urine test, next time blood test. So next is serum test is gamine. So this what are this antibodies are present here. This already I think is TH. So afterwards you have to see that. So inhaling of this droplets, this water, air. So and this inhaling the droplets, aerosols, even this you are using this other dresses, utensils. So you have to see in this bacterial diseases. So the whole lesson we learn about this one. So first we learn about this bacterial diseases. Gillelius. So that is costly agent Gillella species. Zigellosus. Giller species. Intestine, food and water contaminated by feces and fecal oral routine, abdominal pain, dehydration, blood and mucus in the stools. So it is Gillellus. It can acute bacteria diseases of the intestines characterized by this inflammation of the intestines. So and the bloody diarrhea. The bloody diarrhea, that is a blood mucus in the stools. That is a bloody diarrhea. It is a disease. So poor and crowded communities throughout. It is the most important cause of acute bloody diarrhea. So the mode of this transmission is disease is fecal oral route. Fecal oral route transmitted directly through the fleas, contaminated hands. Xylella multiply infected with and indigested causes that diarrhea. Next one is the bubonic plague. Bubonic plague is a Yersinia pestis, lymph nodes, rat flea factors, Genophilia sinatus, fever, headache and swollen lymph nodes. So bubonic plague. A case of bubonic plague has emerged in the Chinese history of pioneer. So first எங்க வந்துச்சு buboniac வந்து சைனால. So two brothers in China are suspected to have this contracted the disease after eating this marmot meat. என்ன சாப்பிட்டிருக்காங்க? Marmot meat rat. So the black death has caused about 50 million deaths. So in this past generations, so the Black Death has been 50 million deaths. The black people having this 50 million deaths. So occur in this bubonic plague. So the bubonic plague is caused by bacteria Yersinia pestis. So it is a zoonotic bacteria usually found in the small mammals and the flies. Small mammals means rat, like this rate. So the disease spreads when the bacteria infected flies bite human beings. It can spread by direct contact with infected tissues or fields rodents. Cannot easily transmitted from person to person. இது வந்து என்ன செய்யாது easily transmitted to person. So patient have the fever. என்னென்ன வரும்? Fever, headache, chillness, weakness, tender and painful limbs. Their nodes are called bibness. So the nodes varadanaala that's why called this bubonic plague. That's why it is called this Black Death means. So that causes about the 50 million deaths in the past. 50 millions persons are dead in this disease. So it is called this Black Death. So next we learn about this diphtheria. Diphtheria, Corynebacterium diphtheriae, larynx, skin, nasal and genital passage, droplet infection, fever, sore throat, carnescence and difficulty in breathing. Diphtheria. So Corynebacterium diphtheria is the cause of this infection. Corynebacterium diphtheria is the cause of this bacteria infection. It is an acute disease of the throat. Patients will have this fever, painful throat. So there will be difficulty in breathing. So which might even lead to death. So direct contact with patient spreads the disease. Children should be vaccinated against the disease. So the larynx, skin, nasal and genital passage through that disease. So the site of this infection. So next one it is cholera. Vibrio cholerae, intestine, contaminated food and water, fecal oral route, severe diarrhea and dehydration. Cholera is caused by a bacterium is known as Vibrio cholerae. The patient suffers in diarrhea and vomiting. The disease spread all of the sudden in a large number of people due to water contamination. This is known as cholera. So epidemic personal cleanliness, need surroundings. How to avoid this? Need surroundings, drinking protected water and with food are important to prevent the spread of the disease. So that is site of this infection, it is intestine because of this severe diarrhea. Next one it is tetanus.